Just wanted to put together a video demonstrating a new product that we have available. It's designed for guys running the Axletech 4000s or 5000s or anything with the pneumatic air lockers on it. What we've done is we've plumbed it in to a 12 volt actuated air solenoid. Basically how it runs is you have an air source. Here obviously we're just using shop air, but if you're using a vehicle, a 12 volt air compressor like an ARB or something will work. These actuators work off of anywhere between 80 and 120 psi, so perfectly fine to use any 12 volt air system. We have this plumbed up or wired up to a typical 12 volt battery. The kit that we sell it has 3 switches, one for your air compressor and then one for a front locker and a rear locker. And I'll show you how this kit kind of works. We have it tied into the factory sensors here on the actuators. So what it does is if you kick this one on, you can see that it's activated the upper and the lower light. We'll see what happens here. This one you can see it's only activated the upper light. And what that means is that the solenoid up here is activated. It's sending air to the actuator, but the actual shift collar hasn't engaged and the locker isn't quite engaged yet. So it kind of just gives you an indication that, maybe give it a little bit to engage that locker before you really get on the gas hard. So what we'll do is I'll just turn the wheel a little bit here and we'll engage the locker. There, you can see the locker has completely engaged and it's lit up both lights, letting you know that everything's good to go. The kit that we sell, it comes with everything, the divider block with the solenoids, comes with all the air lines, wiring harness, switches, and all the sensors and stuff like that, or the sensor pigtails, and all the proper fittings you need for the air locker actuators. I'll post a link below to our website where you can see prices and everything like that. If you guys have any questions, get a hold of me directly or post up below. Thanks. Alright, you can see the axle is unlocked and in the front locker. It's engaged and it's locked. And we'll disengage it and it's now unlocked.